Howdy, howdy, howdy. Okay, it is currently 35 degrees outside, and I decided, hey, I am going to go for a hike with the emergency kit that we talked about in the past videos, the car get home kit. So I'm going to put that on and go for a hike wearing what I might typically wear. So it's just going to be like jeans and this hoodie, and see if it keeps me warm and how it carries. Yep, so got it on. If you see that hanging off there. But I don't like the blanket there. Just kind of like how it's positioned on the back there. I couldn't get it below the bag, so I rigged it up to where it's like on the, I don't know. It's just not, I don't know, it's not the front side of the bag. Maybe it is the front side of the bag. Got it hanging there, but I don't like the width that that's causing. But we'll see. So yeah, I'm out here in jeans and tennis shoes and a light hoodie. So I'm like, well, let's see what I would wear on a typical day. And it's 35 degrees. I think I already said that, so it's kind of cool. And yeah, I decided to give this bag, give this kit a chance. See how it carries, see how it feels. This isn't the first trail I was going to today, but yeah, because the one I was going to go to was the bridge to it was out, like the actual road bridge. So I was like, well, shoot, gotta find another trail. So here I am on this one. I can tell you, I'm not really a fan of this. I mean, it's super warm so far for this and super comfy, but just the thing is with this is like it's just straight open, so potentially losing a lot of heat. I think I might just replace it with a regular wool poncho, maybe. I know there are deer out here. I've seen them before. Seen a couple big squirrels so far today, and heard lots of birds, but that's it so far. Okay, today's carry knife, besides the Apple's SRT, that's part of the kit. Today's carry is the White River knife and tool. PKO. This is a prototype though, so what's different about this one versus the production version is this does not have a notch for the ferro rod. It's got a sharp spine. It is in 3V instead of S35EN, and it's got a flat grind instead of a Scandi. So that's the differences between this prototype and the production one. The production one is pretty sweet, but I'm gonna prefer this prototype. This suits me better. I think I need to send it back to get some spot work on it though. It's getting some corrosion, and I think that's isn't that poison ivy vine? Anyway, yeah, it'd be nice getting some corrosion on, and the edge just chewed up a little bit because it was used to cut some meat through styrofoam that was on like a cinder block, so it chewed up the edge a little bit. Something's creaking over there. So yeah, somebody not me, not saying who though, wife, was pushing down kind of hard through the, cut through the meat, through the styrofoam plate packing, whatever that comes with the meat, and into the cinder block while we were camping. So, yeah, that's been quite a while. So I've had to send this off for a couple of years now. Just never have. I guess I could try to fix it myself, but I don't know. Besides some basic touch-up sharpening, I don't know how I feel about my abilities to work on an edge. Get you a hidey hole. Just can't really. Maybe you can see. Probably a couple spiders in there. Just a couple. Man, came out of the trail. It's only about a mile. Gosh, didn't see any deer, probably because I was talking. Anyway, so how do I feel about this kit on this hike? The kit itself is fine, even though this has been warm and kind of comfortable. I think I'm gonna switch this out with a poncho, because this gig, that gig's not gonna work. It's not gonna work for me, brother. So yeah. Also, I think I might drop the blanket. I'm still gonna keep it in the car, but I'm gonna drop it from the carry. Replace it with a Snug Pack Special Forces bivvy that I have. So that'll be lighter and take up less room, so everything can be streamlined more. Also, after this hike, I'm gonna go pick up a new small power bank, probably an Anchor 5000 milliamp, to replace the one that broke. So replace that little one that broke in here. The purpose of the power bank is just to get, enough charge on the phone, or maybe you can, turn it on and send an emergency call or text. It's not to, watch, be streaming Netflix on your, on your emergency run home or anything. Just enough to send some info or grab some info off your phone. I was thinking about it. If this hike went well, I was going to put that blanket in a dry bag inside his compression sack. I still might do that anyway, just for the car. Yeah, I'm going to do that anyway. But not to carry, of course, as I said. Anyway, yep, long hike back. Well, not long, probably about the same distance, another mile or so, back to the car. So, you hear the geese? Yeah, I was waiting for them to fly through this opening so I can get them. And they're gone. Anyway, as I was saying, remember, get outside. Generic outro. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Check out these other videos floating around on the screen here.
there, and stick around for additional stuff coming up. You never know what I might do. Will be another taste test. Will be a review. Will I be out hiking again? Who knows? Stick around. Find out. Enjoy.